Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection for your headphones Marshall Major 5. And right here I have a first device what connected with the headphones and the second device what do not connected with these headphones. So to connect the second device, when your headphones is turned on and connected with your first device, you need to press 2 times at the multifunctional button on your right ear cup, and this LED light near to USB-C port start blinking blue. So 1, 2, and as you can see we have it. Now we see these headphones at the device list on our second device and you need to tap on it. And now as you can see I have 2 devices connected with these headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!